Ever tried to make an Instagram story and ended up with a blurry mess? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you there's an app that promises to turn your regular photos into polished animation masterpieces? Enter Instories, the app that's turning basic into wow. Stick around to see if it's worth the app. Instories is a mobile app designed for content creators who want pro-looking stories without the pro-level headaches. With over 700 templates, it promises to make your content creation as easy as pressing add. Seriously, it's that simple. First off, the templates, over 700 of them. Whether you're sharing business tips or just your cat doing something cute, they've got you covered. And editing, easy. Add animated text, effects, music, and even neon lights, all in the app. No more juggling apps, all in one place. Templates get updated regularly so your content stays fresh. This is a game changer if you're on a posting schedule. But, and there's always a but, the free version, basic. For the premium templates and watermark free magic, you're looking at a subscription. And here's the catch, prices have gone up a lot. Some users have seen nearly double the cost from last year, which has left a few sour grapes in the reviews. On the plus side, it's super easy to use and people love the professional look of the content. But on the flip side, some users have complained about price hikes and the app crashing during exports. So customer support, meh. Sometimes great, sometimes not so much. Is InStories worth it? If you're a casual user, the free version might do the trick. But if you're serious about your content, the subscription might be worth it. Just compare the prices first. Remember, it's about value for your content goals. Let me know if you've used InStories in the comments. Did it live up to the hype or leave you hanging? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.